Subscribe to our channel and click on the bell button to receive important financial updates faster than anybody else. Friends, welcome to another video on your channel Profit in Equities. If you like our content, please don't forget to hit the like button. Also subscribe to our channel, click on the bell button and choose all notifications to receive important financial updates from our channel at the earliest. In this video, we'll be talking about a severely beaten down stock where Onkar Kanwar, the promoter, has recently bought 19.1 lakh shares from the open market. Please watch this video to know more. Now the company in question is Apollo Tyres Limited, which is available at Rs 198 and the face value for it is 1. The symbol for it is APOLLOTYRE. Now rising raw material cost, higher capex plan, exposure to IL&FS and discontent among shareholders over spiraling remuneration of top executives has pushed the Apollo Tyres stock to a 52-week low of Rs 195. Reports of minority stakeholders voting against the reappointment of Neeraj Kanwar, who is the vice chairman and managing director, due to high remuneration has triggered a steep fall of 11% on September 28, and since then the stock has continued to slide. As the stock lost ground, patriarch Onkar Kanwar, chairman of Apollo Tyres, has scaled up his stake in the company. Kanwar-led promoter entities Classic Auto Tubes and PTL Enterprises have bought 19 lakhs 15,000 shares worth Rs 438 million through September and October. Looking at the overall financials, the company does not appear to be wildly expensive and is available at very cheap price to earnings ratio of 14.67 and a price to book which is on the cheaper side. The company has a dividend yield of 1.52%, whereas the promoter holding for the stock stands at a figure of 40.39%. Now friends, please don't consider this to be a recommendation on our part. This was just information that we were bringing to you. Thanks for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please consider doing so for more such videos which would increase your awareness about the stock markets.